In a quiet village where mornings arrive gently, destiny was already awake.
She never noticed him, but he noticed everything. Then life tested what the heart had been hiding. Without speaking, he chose love, because real love is not spoken, it is chosen.
What if I told you you can create a complete video like the one you just watched without spending a dime, which is apt for YouTube, TikTok, and even any other channel that you are working with? Stick around for a couple of minutes. Don't forget to repost this video, share to more than 5, leave a meaningful comment, and follow so that others can learn. In this video, we'll be looking at 3 free tools that you can actually use to change text to video directly without any stress. So the first thing you are going to be using, you will start with ChatGPT. Obviously, ChatGPT generates your script for you. Once your script is ready, then you will dive right into our first tool. Just stick around, let's learn. Okay, we are looking at the 3 free tools that we can use text to video directly. So the first free tool that we will be looking at is Dreamface. So when we come to Dreamface, this is how the interface of Dreamface normally looks like. So what you will do is you will come to Avatar Video or AI tools and you will select text to video. So when you select text to video, it gives you an interface like this. So here we will just paste our script, the script we got from ChatGPT, and we create. We have here a beautiful story that it has given us, the love story that we wanted to create initially. It's a beautiful short 5 seconds we wanted to give. So that is for Dreamface, which is the first application we will be using. The next one we will go to is One AI. One AI is also another interesting application that you can use and have beautiful stories directly from text. So when you come to One AI, this is normally how the interface looks like. It prompts you to sign up. Here the story is already showing because I have pasted the prompt. This is the prompt. I pasted and generated the prompt to save in time. So once you are in the interface, you paste your prompt like this, and then you go ahead and you generate the prompt. So when you generate the prompt, it also gives you a beautiful story like this. Remember, we asked for a story, a love story of a village girl, a very short one that produces. So these are the images of the beautiful story that we got from One. Take it into your application, put them together, and you have your beautiful story going. Then the next application that you can also look at and use is Grok AI. So on Grok AI, what do we do? You will come to Imagine, and then you will have to create your image prompt and animate it immediately. So for here, when you paste the text that you want to paste, you paste the text and you send. It will give you an image and it will animate the image immediately, converting it into a video. So these are the 3 free applications that you can use. If you find this video useful, do not forget to repost this video, share to more than 5, leave a meaningful comment, and follow for more useful tips like this. See you in our next hack.